Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the new collection from MJ Lacquer, and this is the Random Acts of Kindness limited edition collection. This collection takes its inspiration from random acts of kindness. If we practice the same principles that we teach our children, being kind, noble, fair, honest, cordial, and pleasant, then just think about the possibilities of stamping out injustices, prejudice, intolerance, and all the negatives that crush the human spirit. We can turn this around one act at a time. So we're going to start off with this insanely gorgeous Be Kind. This is a red neon jelly polish with crystal chameleon flakies and lime blue and gold UCC flakies. This is absolutely stunning. If this doesn't scream summer, I just don't know what would. So this is Be Kind. The next one up is Be Noble. Y'all know this is like my kind of polish right here. This is a magenta neon jelly polish with sapphire blue UCC flakies. Look how stunning. Another great one for the summer. And then next up we have Be Fair, and this is a white-based Crelly with neon round glitters and copper, gold, green UCC flakies. This one is awesome for summer. This one would also work for spring, I think. Gorgeousness. The next one we have is called Be Honest, and this is a yellowish green jelly polish with lime green micro glitters. And it's got pink, purple, blue, and gold UCC flakies. I love all of these. It's going to be really, really tough to pick favorite. I might not be able to do it. Next up, we have Be Cordial. And this is a yellowish orange jelly polish with yellow and orange circle glitters, gold micro glitters, and a sprinkle of purple aurora shimmer. Unreal. How pretty. And then the last one is called Be Pleasant. This is a holographic blue thermal in its cold state that transitions to a holographic nude in the warm state. And this polish has red and bronze copper UCC flakies, lime copper blue color shifting flakies, and red gold aurora shimmer. And I can so see that gold, that shimmer right there. Oh my. And you guys know I'm a junkie for the thermals, so let's just, set ourselves up for it. Okay. This collection will launch on Saturday, June 26th at 12 a.m. CST. All polishes in the collection are $10.50 each. Now listen up. There's a discount code for 15% off that will be taken off during checkout. No code needed. And so this sale ends, it goes from June 26th until July 4th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, if you want any of these, definitely get in. She always does such great deals with the sales and stuff, and I just love that. So I'm going to get my nails ready, and we're going to get to swatching. Alrighty, here we go with our first coat of Be Kind. This jelly with all that neon and then the sparkles. Speechless, y'all. This is gorgeous. Look at here with the second coat. I am so digging this whole collection. I can't even begin to tell y'all how cool it is. And there is my swatch photo. Next up, we've got this crazy thing. Oh, girl. This one's called Be Noble, and y'all know this purpley pink stuff is my kind of jam. And look at all that glittery goodness in there. And it applied easy. I mean, there wasn't no manipulating or, having to squish stuff around. There's just so much in it that, it just goes on smooth as butter. 2 coats, beautiful. This next one is another white Crelly, and I've lost my name to this one. I forgot the name of it. I'll try to put it on the screen. I am so sorry. I didn't have all my stuff prepared. But look how great that looks in one coat. And this second coat is just going to make it perfect. And when it dries down, the glitters and stuff just kind of rise to the top a little bit. Oh, stunning. I was never much into these, you know, like Crowley-like mixes, but I'm so falling for them. I am going to tap those back on the nail, though. There's my swatch photo. This electric lime is stunning. And this one's called Be Honest. You know, we could all use some honesty in our lives. Look how opaque that is in one coat. Here we go with that second coat. These are all just fantastic. I'm gushing, I know. I have a problem. But this collection really blew my socks off. And there's a swatch photo. Next up is the orange, and it's called Be Cordial. And this is kind of, it's not looking as orange on camera as it really is in real life. This one's just super fun. I mean, it reminds me of a tropical drink or something. I'm going to get woody out here. I normally don't do that when I'm swatching, but, you know, I wanted to look good for y'all. And here we go with our second coat of Be Cordial. Love this one. Oh my gosh. Like I said, there will be a link down below for you guys to go check this out and get in on the sale. These do release tomorrow. There's a swatch photo for it. Now, y'all know I'm a sucker for thermals, and that's what this one here right here is. This is Be Pleasant. Look at those flakies. Bangarang. That is so awesome. I'm loving Be Pleasant. Y'all know it. I'm telling the truth. And I'm going to have to re-polish pictures of this one. And here we go. Cold State. And then the Warm State. Isn't that stunning? And there's the last one. So leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.